teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement. So they given the verbal statement. We are going to find out algebraic statement. So 8 more than a number. Okay. Vetri wrote 8 plus x and Maran wrote 8x. So which one is, who gave the correct answer? That's what they are asking. Okay. But first of all, we know, let the number be x. I don't know what is my number. So first of all, I don't know such number x. Then 8 more than the number. So 8 plus that x. I am taking, that's my first equation for my convenience. Vetri gave this, up to this is your given. Vetri gave the answer is 8 plus x. Moran gave the answer is 8x. But we already know, okay, comparing these two, but we already know the answer. We already know by using the, that's why I mentioned first equation. By using the first equation, Vetri gave the correct answer. So Vetri only gave the correct answer. Okay. Then sixth question. Answer the following. If n take the value 3, then find the value of n plus 10. So if the given is what? So my n value is 3. They given n equal to 3. What the given equation? N plus 10. So I am substituting my value. N plus 10 equal to, what's my n value? 3 plus 10. What I am getting? 13. Okay. That's only they are asking. The second question, if g is equal to 300, what's the value of g minus 1 and g plus 1? So going to, so given is g is 300, g minus. So first one, g minus 1. What's the g value? 300 minus 1. So what will be your value? Okay, 300 minus 1. So subtracting. So borrow from this. So 10 is borrow from 9. So again 10. 10 minus 1. How much? 9. Again 9. Then balance 2. So how much we are having? 299. So then g plus 1. 300 plus 1. How much you are getting? 300. Because the g value is 300. They already given. Plus 1. So I am adding ones only. So 1, 0, 3. Okay. So we are having a 301 for g plus 1. So the next question. What's the value for s? If the given s, 2s minus 6 gives 13. So this is, if you're solving, if you're giving s for some value, you're getting a 30. Okay, so I can write 2s minus 16 equal to my answer 30. So I'm going to find out my x value. So what they given? So solution. So 2s minus 16 equal to 30. I already told, right? If you have in this place, move to that place. So you are separating your variables. This is your variable. Separating your variables and your constant. The numbers are constants. 30. So subtracting, moving that side, become a addition 16. So addition of 30 plus 16. What you getting? 30 plus 16. 0 plus 6, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. So 2s equal to how much we are getting? 46. In this place, 2s is multiplication, right? If you are having a 2 into s equal to 46. This is the original format, right? So multiplication moving this side. If you're moving, if it is a empty means in this place 1 into s. Okay, don't forget this. In the multiplication, this value multiplication term moving that place, it should be division. So that place we are having a 1. So 1 into s you are getting again s alone. Okay, so this 2 is moving this place. So I am getting 1 into s. So 46 by 2. So it's multiplication 1 into s. Yes. So we are cancelling this. How much we have? We already studied in lower classes the short division. So in 2 table 1 time, 4 for 2 times, 6 for 3 time in 2 table. So s is equal to 3. If you have a confusion means using the long division 46. So 2. So in 2 table 2 2s are 4. So 4 balance 6. So borrow from 6. So 2 3s are 6, right? So 0 I can write. So my answer is 23, same only. So what's the s value? 23. Okay. Then complete the table. Find the value of the k. So what they given? 3 given a 1, 6 So k by 3, you are dividing this value, you are getting this. Okay. For which okay, they given that gives 5. So what they given? 3 by 3. So what we have? So if you're substituting k is 3 by 3, getting a 1. If you substitute 6 in this place, 6 by 3, you are getting 6 2s are only. So you are getting a 9 by 3. So in 3 table 1, this is for 3 times. So 3. So 12 by 3, 3 table 1, 12 4 in 3 table 4. Okay. 15 by 3, 1, 15 in 3 table 5 times. 18 by 3, 1 time, 18 for 6 times. So 6. Very clear. So by using this, so 9 by 3, what we getting? 3. Okay. Then in this place, what we have? So you can use this place. 12 by 3, 4. What's the answer? 4. So in this place, 15 by 3, 5. So 5. 18 by 3, 6 times in 3 tables. So 6. Okay, what's the answer? 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it one. Okay, then move to the one word. The value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13. We already know this 7 is moving this place. So y equal to 13 minus 7 means subtracting this value. So 7 means how much? 13. 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers do we have? 6. Obviously your y value is a 6. So 6 less to n gives 8. So 6 less to n gives 8 means n minus 6 equal to 8. Are you clear? 6 less to n gives 8 represent as. So n minus 6 you are getting 8. Which option we have? Obviously this option. So value of c for which 3c by 4 gives 18. Okay. So we are having 3c by 4 equal to 18. We already know. The division moving this place should be changed to the multiplication. So 3c equal to 18 into 4. Okay, the first step, if they given the division, you have a denominator number means moving that place is a multiplication. Okay, the division moving that place is a multiplication. So we are having a 3 into c. So multiplication moving that place, this 3 is moving this place. So 18 by 4, multiplication moving that place, division. So 3 is denominator. This is a 1 into c. So again you are getting c only. So in 3 table 18 is cancelled, right? 3 for 1 time, 18 for how many times? 6 times. So 6 into 4. So 1 into c, c only. 6 4s are 24. Option C. Okay. You should remember this. We are having a division is moving this place, multiplication moving this place, division. So finally we get a answer. Okay, that's it.